Do you want to learn Facebook ads marketing? Well, here's 7 best Facebook ads marketing online, free plus paid. First course, Facebook ads and Facebook marketing mastery. From this course, you will learn how to connect with new people and lower your ad costs. Learn how to use the features available in Facebook Business Manager. You will learn to master the sales funnel, awareness, conversion, and retargeting. You will be able to learn social media marketing and Facebook marketing strategies for clients. This course is designed for small business owners, bloggers, influencers, and public figures, corporations, online and marketing reps, advertising managers, anyone looking to master Facebook marketing or Facebook ads. Second course, Facebook ads and Facebook marketing for beginners. From this course, you will learn how to set up a Facebook business page and optimize it. Creating a Facebook ad campaign from the scratch. Learn how to set up a split audience. Learn to set up a Facebook ad account. Setting up video ad campaigns. Learn about audience targeting. This course is designed for people eager to learn Facebook marketing and Facebook ads and gives a full detailed class. This course is designed for advertising managers. Anyone looking to master Facebook marketing or Facebook ads. Third course, Facebook ads and Instagram ads, social marketing. This course will teach people about Facebook ads and social media marketing. From this course, you will learn Facebook ads, Instagram ads, digital marketing, Facebook marketing, freelancing with FB ads, social media marketing for an agency. This course provides proper growth hack strategy with Facebook ads and advertising, and also how to create profitable Facebook ads. This course is designed for anyone who is eager and wants to learn about Facebook ads. Fourth course, Meta Marketing Analytics Professional Certificate. This is a paid course from CourseAvatar designed for anyone looking to gain technical skills to kickstart a career as a marketing analyst. From this course, you will learn how to collect, evaluate and sort and visualize marketing data. Summarizing and analyzing data using marketing analytics methods. Design experiments and evaluate advertising effectiveness. Using Meta Ads Manager to test the effectiveness of ads and the results. People should opt for this course because there are many job openings for analytics roles. Can connect with over 200 U.S. employers post-course completion. Has a median entry-level salary. This course is designed for beginners. For the ones who are 100% self-paced. Fifth course, Discover types of Facebook ads and the best for you. In this course, you'll get an opportunity to look at different types of Facebook ads one can run as a person or a business and how to select the one which best fits you or your business goals. From this course, you will learn Introduction and Special Ads category. Understanding the brand and reach. Understanding traffic and engagement ads. App installation and video views. Generation of leads and message ads. Conversion of ads, catalog sales, and traffic at the store. People should opt for this course because this course will provide many benefits like all learning materials and free download of whatever you create. It provides instant access to necessary software packages through Rhyme. This course is designed for beginners. Sixth course, Facebook Marketing Course by HubSpot. From this course, you will learn how to develop a marketing strategy for your profile. How to grow your reach, which is organic, on Facebook. How to design a winning Facebook ad strategy for your account. People should opt for this course because this course gives insights into Facebook ad management and an overview of Facebook marketing. It helps in understanding the Facebook algorithm. It also teaches how to measure success on Facebook. This course is designed for beginners. For people who are looking to learn the basics of Facebook. Social media marketers. Directors. Marketing managers. Seventh course, Facebook Advertising for Beginners. This course is designed for digital marketers who have yet to gain prior Facebook marketing experience. From this course, you will learn basics of Facebook, including how to create a page, how to set up advertising campaigns on Facebook pages, to check if the ads are running smoothly. People should opt for this course because the course is free of cost, but yes, if you want a certificate, you will have to pay the charge for the certificate. However, the course is free of cost. After completing this course, you can list the steps to launch your first Facebook ads campaign. Identifying the common avoidable mistakes made by new advertisers. Get the idea about listing different types of Facebook ads. You will know how to protect your ad account. This course is designed for beginners. For people who are keen to know the basics of Facebook marketing and strategy. The links of all courses are given in the description box. Click on subscribe button and bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.